Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Well, my friend that I went and dumped the fridge for gave me this. So apparently, as you can see from there, the primer ball, as you can see, it's wet. It needs to be replaced. So but because it's leaking. So choke. Oh. Yeah, you see how the water or the gas, but so wonder if it's out of gas. Yeah, it might be out of gas. So that's the only thing that needs to be replaced. Let's see. Yeah, there's barely any gas in there. So, but it does run. Just needs to be cleaned up. And as you've already saw, it's Craftsman 18-inch 42cc. So, but yeah, that's push back to reset. Don't know what that is. But yeah, it's out of gas. But it runs a bar. But yeah, that's what needs to be replaced, is the primer ball. So how much do you guys think I should sell it for? This is another bar. This is some kind of tool. But let me know in the comments. Think I should sell it for. I like it when people give me things. So, but yeah. Ah. And I got some more copper right there that I should have cut up, but I didn't. I also have this window. It's for a Ford, but I don't know what kind of Ford yet. And I'm sure you guys have remembered my noodle soup that I was trying to crack a joke about at the end of the... Yeah, bad joke. So, but I have to get this stuff out, so this is going to be the next thing I take apart right here. And then there's a VCR. I got to get all this stuff out of there. Got to sell this TV. It works. So, oops. But yeah. I'll be getting the spark plugs very soon for this. But as you can see, I've done some more radiators. We got these 3 done. I think I got like 2 or 3 more done than the last time. But I still have these 2. These, I gotta get rid of most of the stuff in here. This is going to be a how-to, but there's not going to be much to it. And as you can see, I already got rid of the radiators that were here. Working on this one next. But, you know, all the shops are closed today, so there's no picking up how-to. But I do have to go over to let me show you. I have to go to that building over there where it has a black and red sign on the side. A friend of mine owns a shop over there. He told me to come back late Sunday to pick some stuff up. So, and you guys remember my little... All I did was notch it out. I never even got to a file to file that down. Oh, I got a file right there. So, but this is what I'm doing today. Cleaning out as much of the back of the truck as I can, because I need to be able to get in there and put those sides up. So unfortunately, and I got some stuff to pick up Monday, maybe some water heaters, some, you know, stuff like that, because I need some more how-to and, well, you know, just stuff to take apart to do a video on. Probably be doing another valve one here shortly. But as you can see, this is moving along very easy. Because I have that lip on there now that grabs. still haven't heard about the storage clean out yet, but I will also be taping that as new content. But yep. You don't say. Now, Scrapping Together said something to me on Messenger chat about throwing things. You mean like this? But yeah, I've only been in this yard for about 15 minutes, and I've already gotten majority of the stuff over there done. Have to cut those tires up today, but I don't need that other tool for that. I can use my Sawzall. And then I have to move some things around so I can get that AC unit out of here sometime today. Oops. But other than that, this is a life of a scrapper. As that's what people call me. You know, I basically take things apart for videos. But so yeah, hammer time. There we go. Trash. Another clean radiator. Put this over here. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 radiators ready to go. And I got 2 more up there, which I'm going to grab right now. So, yeah. Yep. And of course I locked that door so I can't get through that way. But I think I'm going to go ahead and call this video done. Basically I just wanted to get some footage of the chainsaw and me do a little bit of scrapping. This I have to take out of there. I finally did get a bucket. I forget the subscriber's name. He comments every once in a while. I've mentioned his name before. But I did get another bucket because I had done a video on how to get those things out from on the ground, you know, because for the life of me, I could not remember what to use. And he made a suggestion that I just use a bucket to set it on and pound the, which, you know, like I said, I never thought of it. So, but this will be changing here shortly. I'm still trying to come up with a design for the back. Because, you know, watching 24/7 Scrap Life 24/7, you know, I just don't like it open back there where things can fall out. I want it completely sealed so nobody can see in it, you know. But see, that's me. And, you know, it is what it is. But, yeah. But that's what I'm doing today. I'll probably do a video of me cutting up the tires. You know, maybe. I mean, there's only so much videos I can actually, you know, show you guys. But like I said, this is a daily occurrence of what I do. You know. So, and, you know, some people like what I do, some people don't. Like I mentioned, you know, I was up to 192, now I'm down to 189 subscribers. And, you know, those people who left probably, you know, don't like what I do. And that's okay. You know, I gotta thank Scrap and Pallet Man for the visit, for the gifts that he gave me. And, yeah, just so you know, Paul, I still have the anvil and I'm not getting rid of it. Because that will help me in the shop. But once I get a table in there and, you know, be able to set up, you know, a vise and be able to work inside the shade and not out in the open, you know, I'll probably be able to have more things to do, you know. But you guys saw me painting the sides, you know, and these I gotta sort, take these off, which I might do a video on that next. You know, don't know, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, yep, I think it's time to end this. So, as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. Later, Gators.